Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video guys, we are going to be making plantain chips. I'm going to be frying plantain chips, showing you guys how to do it easily at home. So I've already started this video, before I remember. It's good I also show you guys, how to fry your plantain chips at home. So easy. So you guys can see, this is how we do it, and this is it. This is it. Very nice. So I'm just going to continue. And if you know today is your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. Yeah, and thumbs up this video. And we are done. So it is time to fry. It is time to fry our plantain. Guys, it's ready. So yummy, delicious and tasty. Can you guys hear that? Very crunchy, so crunchy. Can you guys hear that noise? That crunchiness. So go ahead and try it. So yummy and delicious. Thank you also so much. See you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. I forgot to tell you guys that I also added one ripe plantain to it. It makes it super delicious and tasty. Yeah. Bye for now.